Good afternoon, everyone. It's your English class, and today we are going to study chapter number 11, person pronoun, number, gender, and case. So, half part of this chapter we studied in our previous class, and rest of part we are going to study. So, let's begin. So, first of all, dear students, I taught you what are the pronouns. So, I told you which word are used instead of noun. So those words are called pronouns. यानी कि जो words noun के स्थान पे use होते हैं उनको हम pronoun बोलते हैं. Clear? So as there are categories of nouns, like they can be there can be number, there can be gender, there can be case. So same thing we need to find in the pronouns. So same thing we are going to discuss about the personal pronoun, means about their number, about their gender, about their case, right? So about the number, we studied that about personal pronoun, like three type of person are there: first, second, and third person. And in this, we need to find they are singular and they are plural also. Like I, me, mine, these are singular. You, yours, that's also singular. He, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they are also singular. And these are the plural, like we, us, ours, you, yours, they, them, theirs. Right? Then we studied about gender. Like as you find that in nouns, some nouns are related to masculine gender, some feminine, some common, some neuter. So these features you will find in personal pronoun also. So I, me, mine, we, us, ours, you, yours. So these all the pronouns we can use for masculine gender as well as feminine gender. And he, him, his, she, her, hers. Masculine gender we use for he, him, and his, and she, her, hers we can use for feminine gender. And along with this, if we talk about it we can use for the neuter gender, but also use for small children and animals. Small children or animals, why we can use it? Because their gender is not clear. Because if I say baby child, so that is we don't know that is male child or female child. So that's why we can use for it for them. And for animals also we can use it, right? Because sometimes the gender is not clear. If I say dog, so gender is clear, that is related to masculine. If I say bitch, that is related to feminine. But if I say cat, so gender is not clear. So in that condition we should use it. They, them, theirs, all genders, right? They, them, theirs we can use for all the genders, either that's a masculine, feminine, or common, and neuter also. And then we studied about case. So as we use subject and object and possessive case, so same we can like use these pronouns also, like I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are subjective case, means nominative case. And me, us, you, him, her, it, them. So these are the objective case: mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. These are the possessive case. Clear? So this is a complete table. This also we understood that, like these are the list of nominative case, these are the list of accusative case, these are the list of possessive case. यानी कि ऐसे वर्ड्स, ऐसे प्रोनाउंस जो नाम की यानी कि सब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज हो. ठीक है, ये उनकी लिस्ट है. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह यूज हो उनको बोलते हैं एक्यूजेटिव केस. ये उनकी लिस्ट है. ऐसे वर्ड्स, ऐसे प्रोनाउंस जो पोजेशन को शो करते हैं, अधिकार को शो करते हैं, ये उनकी लिस्ट है. इनमें जेंडर जैसे ही जेंडर हमसे जेंडर के रूप में डिवाइड किए गए हैं. ये हमारे दोनों जेंडर के लिए यूज करते हैं. I, me, mine, we, us, ours, right? And you, yours also we can use for masculine as well as feminine gender. And this line we can use for masculine gender, means he, him, his. And she, her, hers we can use for feminine gender. And it we can use for neutral gender. And they, them, theirs we can use for all the genders, right? And in this there is a list of like these words are singular, these words are plural, singular and plural, singular and plural, right? So this is the complete table. After that, we did exercise number 1. In this, we have to fill either I or me. And on the behalf of this understanding, we did the exercise number 2 also. In this, we have to fill we or us, and 3 also we studied in our previous class. So now, dear students, we have come on the exercise number 4. Please stay connected. Let me do one setting from my end. Please stay connected. So now we have come on the exercise number 4. So in this you have to fill either you or yours. आपको या तो you fill करना है. देखो you को हम subject की तरह भी use कर सकते हैं और object की तरह भी use कर सकते हैं. Nominative case में भी कर सकते हैं, accusative case में भी कर सकते हैं. और yours क्या है हमारा possessive pronoun है, यानी कि जब हमें possession को show करना हो, you का possession show करना हो, तो यहाँ वहां पे हमें yours fill करना होता है. So please let me know what will come in the first fill up. First sentence is that my library card has expired. Can I borrow you or yours? Which word will come here? Who will let me know? Please again let me do some setting. Let me extend the size of this box so that I can see the hand of everyone. Okay, Anshu, please tell me.
Sir, my library card has expired. Can I borrow yours?
Yes, can I borrow yours? Yours मतलब तुम्हारा. मेरा जो लाइब्रेरी कार्ड है वो एक्सपायर हो गया है, खत्म हो गया है. क्या मैं तुम्हारा लाइब्रेरी कार्ड ले सकता हूँ? तुम्हारा यानी कि मैं तुम्हारे पोजेशन की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड टू यूज देयर योर्स. क्लियर? सेंटेंस नंबर 2. द प्रिंसिपल वांट्स टू सी हिम इन हिज रूम. द प्रिंसिपल वांट्स टू सी हिम इन हिज रूम. सो यू और योर्स. Which word will come here? Akshita, you please tell me.
Sir, you.
Yes, you will come here. Principal wants you to see him in his room. Principal चाहते हैं कि तुम उसके रूम में उनसे मिलने आओ. Next sentence number 3. Did you or yours hurt yourself in the accident? So you or yours, which word will come here? Who will let me know? Neha, can you tell? Neha, can you tell? Neha,
Did you? Yes, sir.
did you? Okay, yes, the right answer. You have given the right answer. Did you hurt yourself in the accident? Very good, right answer, Neha. You have given the absolutely right answer. So you will come here. Good. Next, Papa has gifted you or yours this watch, this wristwatch. It is now you or yours. Which words will come here? Who will let me know? Ekam, you please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about the sentence number 4. Sentence number 4.
Papa has gifted you this wristwatch. This is now yours.
And it is now yours. Very good. In first fill up, in sentence number 4, you will come. In the second fill up, yours will come. Papa ने तुम्हें ये wrist watch gift किया, अब ये तुम्हारी है. Right? So in first fill up, you will come. In second fill up of fourth sentence, yours will come. Very good. Right answer. Ekam, you have given. Now please come on the sentence number 5. I don't remember means I do not remember your address. Can you or yours repeat it? Which pronoun will come here? Manishita, you please tell me. Manishita, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
Which pronoun
Yes.
will come here in sentence number? Yes, I don't remember.
I do not remember your address. Can you repeat it?
Can you repeat it? Very good. Right answer. Good. Good, Manishita. Okay. Now come on the next sentence. Is this elegant pair of shoes you or yours? Is this elegant pair of shoes you or yours? Akshita, can you tell?
Sir, is this elegant pair of shoes yours?
Yes, very good. Right answer. Is this elegant pair of shoes yours? Very good. Now please look at the sentence number 7. I shall carry only my bag. You must carry you or yours. Lavisha, you please tell me. Lavisha, you please tell me.
Carry only my bag. You must carry yours.
You must carry yours. Very good. Right answer. Lavisha, you have given the right answer. Now please look at the last sentence. Sorry. Should take you medicine regularly. So should take your medicine regularly. So which word will come here? Yours or you? Ansh, you please tell me.
Sir, you should take your medicine regularly.
Very good. You will come here. Very good. You have given the right answer. Very good. So now please come on the next exercise. Exercise number 5. Read the question first. Change the underlined words in their sentences into the plural. Make any other changes that are necessary. तो जो वर्ड्स यहाँ पे अंडरलाइन किए गए हैं उनको आपने सिंगुलर फॉर्म से प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज करना है और उनको प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज करने की वजह से और जो हमें बदलाव करने हैं वो भी हमें यहाँ पे करने हैं. First I tell you and rest of sentences you should do by yourself. Okay. She was kind to me. She was kind to me. She जो है हमारा क्या है? थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है. हमें इसका पर्सन चेंज नहीं करना, इसको सिंगुलर से प्लूरल बना देना है. तो शी का प्लूरल क्या होता है? दे. राइट. सो हमें लिखना है दे वर. अब यहाँ पे वोज नहीं आएगा क्योंकि दे क्या है? वो थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल है, उसके साथ हम प्लूरल वर्ब यूज करते हैं. तो वहां पे क्या आएगा? दे वर काइंड टू मी. अब मी क्या है हमारा? फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर है. फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर को फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल में चेंज कर दो तो मी का क्या बन जाएगा? अस. राइट. तो मैं लिखना है दे वर काइंड टू अस. दे वर काइंड टू अस. राइट. So dear students, in this way try to change the next sentence. जो word underline किया गया है उसको प्लूरल में चेंज करना है और उसकी वजह से जो और चेंजेस आएंगे वो भी हमें करने हैं यहाँ पे. So who will do about the sentence number 2? I know it's little tricky, it's little difficult, but I know you can do that. Try to do this. Manishita, you please tell me. Manishita, please try.
Is the baby hungry? Why are they crying?
Why are they crying? So हमें ये करना पड़ेगा बेटा. Yes. ठीक है, यहाँ पे इट का दे कर देंगे बट ये भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा. आर दे बेबीज हंग्री. आर द बेबीज हंग्री. वाई आर दे क्राइंग. तो बेबी की बात कर रहे हैं तो वे एक बच्चे की बात नहीं करें, बहुत सारे बच्चों की बात करें क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने दे यूज कर दिया तो इसलिए वहां पे भी हमें बेबीज करना पड़ेगा और यहाँ पे इसके स्थान पे आर करना पड़ेगा. तो हम बोलेंगे आर दे बेबीज क्राइंग. वाई आर दे क्राइंग. Right. So good, you have tried very well. So who will let me know about the sentence number 3? Lavisha, you please tell me. Lavisha, you please tell me about sentence number 3. Yeah, I think like she doesn't want to give the answer. Ansh, you please tell me.
Sir, they guided me to reach the school.
ही का तो आपने दे कर दिया बट मी का आपने प्लूरल नहीं किया. They guided. Then what will come here? Ansh?
I.
नो. मी क्या होता है बेटा? वो फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर है.
We, sir, we.
नो नो वी सब्जेक्टिव केस होता है. हमें ऑब्जेक्टिव यानी एक्यूजेटिव केस लिखना है. हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे दे गाइडेड अस. दे गाइडेड अस टू रीच द स्कूल. दे गाइडेड अस टू रीच द स्कूल. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस नंबर 4. आई डू माई होमवर्क इन द इवनिंग. सो हु विल डू दिस?
May I, sir?
Yes, you can do.
Okay, sir. Sir, we.
Good, very good.
Sir, done.
Do.
Sir, we do our homework in the evening.
Very good. We do our homework in the evening. Very good. You have done nicely. So now please come on the next sentence. She must solve the problem herself. She must solve the problem herself. So who will change this? Manishita, Lavisha, can you change? Lavisha, can you change this?
Yes, sir.
Change the singular pronouns in the plural.
They must solve the problem herself.
No, themselves. Okay, they must solve the problem themselves. जो हर सेल्फ है ना वो शी की वजह से आया है. अब वो शी नहीं था वहां पे दे आ गया तो दे की वजह से वहां पे themselves लिखना पड़ेगा. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? They must solve the problem themselves. Okay, but you have tried very well. Very good. Now please come on the sentence number 6. I like the way she speaks English. I like the way she speaks English. So who will change this? I also you need to change, and she also. Neha will do this. Neha.
Yes, sir.
Change the sentence number 6, singular to plural. Very good. Follow, please. Can you change?
I like the way they speak. I like the way.
Okay. Your half answer is right. Nikunj, can you change? Otherwise, I will let you know.
We like the way that they speak English.
Okay. थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया. आई का हमने क्या करना है? वी करना है. हमें दे नहीं करना. क्यों नहीं करना? क्योंकि आई का हमें पर्सन चेंज नहीं करना. ठीक है. आई का मतलब क्या होता है? मैं. अब मैं से क्या बन जाएगा? हम. We like the way they speak English. We like the way they speak English. Right? So again, come on that table. So in this table, I will let you know that. So see this table, dear students. अगर ये जो क्या है हमारा, ये फर्स्ट पर्सन है दोनों, आई और वी, और यू हमारा सेकंड पर्सन है, ही शी इट हमारे थर्ड पर्सन है. अगर ही आएगा तो उसको दे में बदलना है, वी और यू में नहीं बदलना. अगर शी आएगा तो उसको दे में बदलना है, इट आएगा तो दे में बदलना है. उस तरह आई आएगा तो वी में बदलना है, यू आएगा तो यू का यू रह जाएगा. तो उनका हमें पर्सन नहीं चेंज करना, हमें उसका सिर्फ नंबर चेंज करना है. उसी तरह मी आया तो उसको अस में बदल दो. उसी तरह माइन आया तो आर्स में बदल दो. हिम या हर या इट आ गया देम में बदल दो. तो हिज या हर्स आ गया तो देयर्स में बदल दो. पर्सन नहीं चेंज करना, उसका नंबर चेंज करना. ओके. नाउ प्लीज कम बैक ऑन दैट एक्सरसाइज. And here we need to do sentence number 7. Be careful. You may hurt yourself. So how will you say this after changing the singular pronouns into the plural pronouns? So who will do this? Manishita will do this. Manishita, can you do? Manishita?
Yes, sir.
Can you do sentence number 7?
Yes. Be careful. You may hurt.
You may hurt
yourself.
Yourselves will come. YOURSELVES. Okay. Yourself जो होता है वो सिंगुलर के लिए यूज करते हैं, और यू हमारा सिंगुलर भी होता है, प्लूरल भी होता है. यहाँ पे हमने सिंगुलर यूज किए, अब हम इसको बनाने जा रहे हैं प्लूरल. हालांकि उसकी फॉर्म तो सेम ही होती है, बट वो है तो भी यहाँ पे प्लूरल. तो उसके लिए हमने yourselves लिखना पड़ेगा. Be careful, you may hurt yourselves. Right? Now please come on the next sentence. These books are mine. Where are hers? These books are mine. Where are hers? So who will do this? Who will change this? Ansh, you please do this.
These
Hmm.
these books are ours. They may hurt ourselves.
Hmm?
Sir, these books are ours. Where are ours?
Here are theirs.
Yours.
Theirs. Okay. These books are ours. Where are theirs? So हर्ष जो है वो थर्ड पर्सन होता है, तो इसलिए हमें उसको theirs में चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Right? Again, you can see the table. I show you the table. So you can like see this table. So hers को हम theirs में change करेंगे. Why? Because hers is third person singular and we need to change it in third person plural. Right? So that's why theirs will come. Now come back on that exercise. Yes. Now please come on the sentence number 9. You are yourself responsible for the loss. So who will do this? Akshita, you please do this. Akshita, sentence number 9.
That you are yourself responsible for the loss.
Very good. You are yourselves responsible for the loss. Very good. You have given the right answer. Next, these toys do not belong to her. These toys do not belong to her. They are mine. So who will do this? Who will change this? Manishita, can you do? Manishita, can you?
Yes, sir.
Try to do this.
These toys do not belong to hers. They
No,
are
no.
ours.
These toys do not belong to them. Okay? They are ours. They are ours. जो हर जो है वो थर्ड पर्सन है, तो थर्ड पर्सन का सिंगुलर है, उसको हमने प्लूरल में चेंज करना है. क्या बनेगा? देम. उस तरह माइन क्या है? वो फर्स्ट पर्सन है. इसका जब चेंज करेंगे तो इसका पर्सन चेंज नहीं करेंगे, इसका सिर्फ नंबर चेंज करेंगे, तो माइन है क्या बनेगा? आर्स. These toys do not belong to them. They are ours. Right? Ours means ours. Now please come on the exercise number 6. Fill in the blanks with suitable person pronouns. So in this you need to fill the suitable person pronoun. So you don't have like limited options, you have many options. So fill here. My father is not in his room. Where has dash gone? My father is not in his room. Where has dash gone? So which pronoun will come here? Who will let me know that? Raise your hand. Ansh, you please tell me.
Sir, my father is not in his room. Where are?
Where? आपने बेटे यहाँ पे अपनी वर्ब चेंज नहीं करनी, आपने सिर्फ यहाँ पे प्रोनाउन फिल करना है कि कौन सा प्रोनाउन यहाँ पे सुटेबल है, कौन सा यहाँ आएगा.
Sir, where has she gone?
No, we are talking about the father. So how can he, means like how can we use she for it? Okay, I tell you the answer. My father is not in his room. Where has he gone? मेरे जो फादर हैं वो रूम में नहीं है, वो कहाँ गए हैं? तो उनके लिए फादर के लिए तो मास्कुलिन जेंडर है, तो उनके लिए हमें ही यूज करना है. शी तो हम यूज करते हैं गर्ल्स के लिए, राइट? सो कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. I hope our students do well, are working hard. So which pronoun will come here? Nikunj, you please tell me. Nikunj,
I hope our students do well. They are working hard.
Very good. Because we are talking about the students, that's why we need to write here they are working hard. Good answer. Next, Preeti plays badminton, is the captain of our badminton team. It is difficult to beat. So two Phillips are there. So Preeti is a girl. So what will you feel here? Who will let me know? Neha. Neha, you please tell me what can be the answer?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Neha, your voice is breaking up. Neha, I'm not getting your answer. Your voice is breaking up. So please
she
come
is
in
the
the network.
captain of our badminton team. It is difficult for sir. She start.
Good, right answer. In the last, her will come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We need to say in this way. Preeti plays badminton. She is the captain of our badminton team. It is difficult to beat her. Right? After the verb, we need to use accusative case, and her is accusative case of a she word. Right? So that's why in the second fill up, her will come. In the first fill up, she will come. Okay, now please come on the sentence number 4. Rohit and Ritu are my friends. I know quite well. Rohit and Ritu are my friends. I know quite well. So I know, after that fill up, quite well. So which pronoun will come here? So who will give me the answer? Raise your hand. Ekam. Ekam, you please tell me.
Rohit and Ritu are my friends. I know them quite well.
Very good. Rohit and Ritu are my friends. I know them quite well. Them word will come here because them we have used for Rohit and Ritu. Names are categorized in third person. That's why we need to mention here them. Good. Very good. Right answer. So come on the sentence number 5. Shruti and I saw Ankur in the market but did not recognize. So two fill-ups are there. Shruti and I saw Ankur in the market. Shruti ने और मैंने अंकुर को market में देखा, but did not recognize. So, what will you feel here? Who will let me know? Ansh, you please tell me. Ansh, please give me the answer. Okay, Nikunj, can you tell?
Shruti and I saw Ankur in the market, but he did not recognize us. But he did not recognize us.
Again, like say the answer. Shruti and I saw Ankur in the market, but
he did not recognize us.
Very good. But he did not recognize us because we need to use for the Ankur. Ankur is a name, a boy name. That's why masculine gender we need to fill here. And here we need to like write the pronoun for Shruti and I, means who is a speaker. That's why we need to mention here us. Very good, right answer. So dear students, 5 we have done. 5 sentences of this exercise we have done. Just 5 are left. So you should do these this exercise and these sentences by yourself. Okay. Now our this chapter is completed. So I think it's enough.